I know my brother finna blow. Straight up. Hey, bro, love, I'm outside.
All right.
Every day, count money every day, count it all like get money every day.
Wait. What's poppin'? What's good? You already know what it is, man. Jamal Wade, man. I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I like to talk about the law of attraction, right? Whatever you think, whatever you believe in, you manifest in your life. And you got to understand that, like, it comes with a lot of like positivity. You know what I'm saying? You can't be a negative person and expect positive things to come into your life. A lot of people get that confused. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna use an example, right? So say, hypothetically speaking, you walking down the street or you somewhere, right? And somebody decide to say something negative to you. And you got two options, right? You got two options. One, you can turn around and be negative. Or two, you can turn around and be positive. Now, most people be like, you know what? I'm gonna be a negative person because, you know what I'm saying, they disrespected me, they treated me a certain type of way, so I'm gonna treat them a certain type of way. Let me tell you something about that in that very moment. The moment that you decide to be negative, you just literally manifested negativity in your life. It's that easy. It's that easy. Versus somebody coming at you. Now, there's a difference, right? Because I know most of y'all watching this video, y'all probably thinking like, well, damn, what if they put harm in my way? You know what I'm saying? If they got a gun, if they trying to harm me, bodily injury, whatever. That's different. But I'm talking about words, because words have power, right? So if they say something negative to you, you got the opportunity to actually be positive or negative, depending on what that situation is, right? So if they coming at you in a negative way, you got the power to actually turn that into a positive by saying words like thank you. In another video, I'm gonna drop some information about the positive, powerful word thank you. Excuse me. That word is so powerful, you'll be surprised how much it can work in your favor. So when it comes down to being positive and negative, understand this. Do not become consumed by negativity. Be positive. You know what I'm saying? Start off real positive, give positive energy back. Understand that the law of attraction work in your favor, whether you being positive or whether you being negative. You got to be more positive towards this situation. So when it comes down to being positive and negative, it's your choice. You know what I'm saying? Don't allow other people to take your joy. Don't allow other people to take away from something that you know you can make a positive thing. So y'all stay tuned in, man. More videos coming.